roast beef, and feta pasta packed meal. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, meron sana tayong scheduled party tray order kaso na-cancel kasi si client ay naipit sa probinsya due to the quarantine. Tapos bigla kaming nagka-order, parang he's the one lang yan. Pag hindi mo inaasahan, bigla talagang dumadating. Buti na lang, ready at batak na ako sa pag-iisa ko sa kusina dahil recently we could not afford any help from chefs or dishwasher or assistant chef. So ako lang talaga mag-isa. Gaya lang ng pag-move on yan. Kapag mag-isa ka, marami kang nadidiscovering kaya mong gawin on your own. I would like to share with you guys on how I was able to do it alone. Kailangan marunong ka mag-prep. So, unahin mong maghiwa, kuha ng sauce, mag-pre-boil, mag-marinate, mag-tenderize, pwede ring pre-cook, depende sa'yo yan. Importante din na alam mo ang cooking time ng bawat isang ingredient, organized ka sa kitchen para mabilis mong makukuha yung mga gamit mo pag kailangan mo. Proper time management, which is very important. And you have to be focused para hindi ka nasusunugan, natutuyuan ng pasta, na-overcook ka ng gulay, dapat tutok ka sa ginagawa mo. Ayan, so when I was done, I set aside some food for our sales, and there you have it.